Chugwater Chili started 37 years ago. It started when 5 ranch families purchased an award-winning chili. A cook-off competitor was winning numerous awards. They started packaging in bunkhouses and in their basements, and now we're selling chili around the world. Our products are all natural. They're gluten-free. They have no MSG or preservatives in them. Kids absolutely love our chili, and you can use our seasonings for other things besides chili. Chili dogs, chili nachos, a variety of things. Not only do we have our award-winning chili, we also have a dip and dressing mix, a red pepper jelly, a steak rub, and most recently we added our green chili and our hot chili. Both the green chili seasoning and the hot chili seasoning have just recently received the Scovie Awards out of New Mexico, and they are already 5-star rated products. If you're headed through Chugwater, stop by and say hi and get a sample of our chili. It is the gourmet spice of Western life, and I can guarantee you're going to love it.